and I think this is what's happening, is that there's a lot of older women in these studios that are insecure about their age. And so they want to psyop everybody else into being attracted to and creating heroines out of basically middle-aged and menopausal women. And so what happens is that you have, really hot icon characters like, for example, Jean Grey. And Jean Grey is replaced with just being your average 45 to 50-year-old, suburban mom. And you see this a lot where they're aging up all these characters that are female in order to avoid the idea of it being a young, attractive female character. And I think that once you see this, you'll see it represented all the time in Western games media, where you no longer have these like young, attractive characters. You have, and to the extent that the characters are attractive, it is another heteronormative subversion of the character being a lot older, like the Lady Demistru in fucking Resident Evil Village, which, by the way, please, bro, like, I mean, that she's so hot. She's ridiculously hot, but she also is like a lot older, right? And like, she's hot because she's really massive with huge tits. That's the reason why I like her. It's not because she's older, but like, that's the reason. So you'll see this a lot once you think about it, is that like, you have Grace is hot. Well, yeah, but she's also from Japan. And so that's the difference. And so the point that I'm making about this is that you have a deliberate and intentional, like group of people that are trying to subvert heteronormative sexuality of men being attractive to young, attractive women. And so what they try to do instead of that is they try to replace those young, attractive women with older, less attractive women that are wearing less makeup. And I don't think that anybody wants to look like that, including those women. That's why those women are wearing makeup. And so that's what I think has happened, is that it's mainly about aging the characters up. And I think the problem with that is the added accusations of like people being pedos. Like, I think it's pretty easy to say that somebody that like sexualized lollies and like, the character looks like they're 9, like, okay, this guy's a weirdo, right? But like being attracted to, for example, like a 19-year-old girl with a petite body, that's not being a pedophile. And by saying that it is, or by saying that it's even on that spectrum, you're so massively nerfing and devaluing that term that you're hurting the people that are legitimate victims of this behavior. So instead of actually talking about and having a real conversation about like, what is actually an adult and what isn't, these people are just trying to spam ultimates, right? They're spamming ults of Nazi, racist, fucking pedophile, whatever you want to call it. They're saying all of these really, really bad terms. And I think that nobody's paying attention to it anymore too. It's offensive to adults that have body types like that. Yeah. And there are women that do have body types like that. But as I said before, there's nobody who hates attractive women more than older, less attractive women. Those are the ones. Look at Snow White, right? I mean, what happened with Snow White? Who was the main antagonist in Snow White? An older, less attractive woman. That's literally it. So this is like, and this is a core story. This is what they do. Hags hate hot girls. They do.